I wake up late. I look at the time. It is 9 a.m. I am very late. I feel scared. I wash my face fast. I brush my teeth quickly. I miss the bus. I run very fast. I arrive at work. My boss is waiting. I feel nervous. I look down. My heart beats fast. I feel very stressed. I feel hot. I open my eyes. My boss looks at me. He says hello. I feel surprised. I look at him. He smiles at me. I feel confused. I say sorry. He says it is okay. I feel relaxed. I walk to my desk. I sit down. I take a deep breath. I open my bag. I take my notebook. I start my work. I try to focus. I feel a little better. I drink some water. I look around. People are working. I feel calm. Time goes slowly. I check the clock. I write my tasks. I feel proud. I smile a little. I work again. Time goes fast now. I finish my work. I feel happy.